Here's a quick review and demonstration of Instamorph Moldable Plastic. In just a moment, I'll show you how to make a stop-motion figure created with Instamorph, armature wire, and terminal blocks. But first, let's go over some key features. Instamorph starts as small plastic beads that become clay-like when warmed. Once heated, you can mold them into any shape with your hands or tools. When cooled, Instamorph hardens, creating a durable, custom shape. It has countless uses, from arts and crafts to hobbies, repairs, prototypes, costumes, props, replacement parts, ergonomic tools, and more. Instamorph is safe, non-toxic, and reusable. A single ounce creates a 1-inch cube of moldable plastic. You can also color it with pigments or paint once hardened. To use, simply heat a container of water to around 150 degrees. One way to do this is to fill a coffee mug with water and heat for 1 minute in a microwave. Add the Instamorph pellets, and you'll notice they start to turn clear after about 2 minutes. Once they become transparent, remove them and start shaping. Now let's make a basic stop-motion armature figure. Begin with aluminum armature wire, cutting 10 8-inch lengths. Twist 2 links together to form loops on each end. These will be the arms, legs, neck, and torso. Attach the wires to terminal blocks, then add hands, feet, and a head with Instamorph, molding them to your desired shape. You can add additional Instamorph to the body or other areas for extra support. Now you have a basic, flexible character ready for stop-motion animations. With Instamorph, if you can imagine it, you can likely create it. I hope you found this review helpful, and thanks for watching.